you know በፊት እሱ like ፍቅር ይዞኛል እኔ መማር like አዲስ ቋንቋ አሁን by the way
what are you learning
I'll tell you
wait but what do we ምንድን I know what you're learning በስመ አብ ስታስጠኝ እግዚአብሔር ነው ማይሆን ቋንቋ ነው እየተማርሽ ያለሽ I'm just going to let you know because it's not good for you He doesn't even have to tell me የትኛውን ቋንቋ እየተማረች እንደሆነ ለኔ መንገር ራሱ የለባትም I get it
Why do y'all okay you want to prank ሰዎች ሀበሻ ሰዎች like እኔ እና አንቺ like friends have it Wait, Leela said
oh my god I love this game
okay she
Alex TV like
Hi cousin
Hi
How are you
Janani bro you're so pretty today You're pretty every day literally I was just trying like thicker lipstick I don't look how dark
እንሂድ እንደ ቴሌግራም አልገባሁም
It's bad huh
Is it from Ethiopia?
ጓደኛዬ ታሳድጓት ደስ ይለኛል እንደውም አልገባም ነበር አንድ ጓደኛ አለች
Daisy come on now is this the same lipstick you were writing on your forehead with yesterday?
ዴዚ በሚለው የቀየረችው አክስት የእናንተ አክስታችሁ ማለት ነው እሷ ቻናሏ ሞኔታይዝ አልሆነም እና የሷ ሞኔታይዝ እንዲሆንላት ፈልጌ ነበር ወደ ኋላ የዘገየሁት ብታሳድጓት ደስ ይለኛል ጓደኛዬ
And I was rejecting it because I was about to come live with Daisy. I'm sorry, Lou. You're not sorry.
I know that. I already talked to her.
Okay.
Already chatalo. Why you do that to me though? You could have just said that.
How can I tell you that? You want me to telepathically communicate with you?
No, you could have just let me in. Lou, I'm doing yada yada yada, but I want it to be annoying at the same time. That's why. And then Nish, how are you though?
I'm good.
How you been?
But I've been gone. I don't know. I've been chilling.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Me too.
Listen, I did not know y'all was related.
How? How didn't you know that?
Huh?
How didn't you know that? We've literally been
No one told me.
We've been saying this since the start.
Okay. I did not know. Libes. Okay.
when he
የማን ቴሌግራም
They hear that and they're like, yes. That's what we've been saying.
Yeah.
Ayajibo Alingindi. Ayajibo. Diana. He's watching me.
Tell him come live. Ayajibo come live.
Ayajibo not give a bit live. Just normal.
Hey Zayma, what's up with this new thing that ladies be doing it? So they be on live over here, and then on the back, they be no panties on, nothing. They got a whole camera. Yeah, literally, this is like this, right? And then they be right there like this. They got clothes on top. The bottom half, I think it's OF.
Probably. They're like, we're going live and filming. Okay, I mean, maybe some people are into that.
On the back end. And then some of them, they be like this. They be doing this. They be putting that shit down there. I swear to God. I be seeing that on TikTok. I'm not joking. I'm mad serious.
I've never seen that. I don't know what your For You page looks like for you to see that. I didn't see that.
My For You page is full of cats.
Okay.
Yep.
My
My mom.
mom. እናትህ ጋር?
No, እሷ እኮ እዚህ አይደለችም። She's in America.
ታዲያ your mom ምን?
I'm trying to respect her wishes.
Oh, she wants you to be here?
Yeah, like 4 or 5 years. She wants me to stay here. She feels as though this is what she thinks. She thinks if I go back to America, I'm gonna get back to the same environment I was in and be back to the old me, getting locked up and whatnot, you know? So basically, I'm just trying to make it. Huh?
Doing better in Ethiopia?
Yeah. I'm more religious now. I wasn't before. I go to church. I'm becoming a better man.
That's good for you. Love that for you.
It is.
Yeah, I'm trying to make my mom happy at the end of the day. Like, but I'm no nothing ያስቀየምኳት. You know what I mean?
I know, I get you.
I really, like, all she ever wanted from me was to do good in life, be a better human. And what do? I never listen to her. I do the opposite. You know? So like.
I get, but you learn. You live and you learn. This you learning right now.
Right. Plus, ኢትዮጵያ ባልመጣ ኢትዮጵያ ባልመጣ እንደዚህ አይደለም ነበረ.
Yeah, to accept it is one thing. To know what you're doing and to accept it and say this is what I've been doing and this was wrong. That's what
right.
You know? Learn.
Yeah. I'm all about my mom because at the end of the day, ሁላችንም እናርፋለን, ሁላችንም እንሞታለን. You know?
Like
ያ ቀኗ ሲደርስ I want her to be happy with me. I want እኔና እሷ to be in a good page.
I get you.
Yeah, that's all. Like
ሉባ ማረኛ አወራ ፕሊዝ ሉኮ ማለት ነው።
ምክንያቱም የኔ ጓደኛዬ እንድታሳድጓት ፈልጋለሁ። ሰዓት እንድትሞላ ሰዓት አልሞላችም። አልገባም ነበረ ቅድም ያው በየኮሜንቱ ነው ይላላችሁኝ ነው።
ለዘላለም አንኖርም ጋይስ። ያኔ ለዘላለም ህይወት አንኖርም።
አሌክስ እንግዲህ እግዚአብሔር
እናት አባት ለእናንተ በጣም ነው የሚወዷችሁ እና እነሱን አሪፍ ማስደረግ like እንትን በጣም ደስ እንዲላቸው ማድረግ አለባችሁ።
እነሱን ማኩራት አለባችሁ።
አዎ what's up homie እንዴት ነሽ? አንድ ሰው አስገቡ። እዚያ
any game like ትንሽ ቦላ game off again.
Yeah, me too. We're just trying to chill first and then we're gonna later.
Yeah, ball again. Let's.
Ball.
Yeah.
እያደግን ነው የምንመጣው። basically እናታችሁን አባታችሁን በቃ አስደስቷቸው because ሞት አይቀርም። that's all I'm saying. እንደዚህ እያልኩ ነው basically እናንተ ምንም ነገር አይፈልጉም። አንድ ብር እናንተ አይፈልጉም። እናንተ አሪፍ ላይ ሆናችሁ ነው የሚፈልጉት።
Yes. Yeah. Anyways,
የተሰደቡ ነው
game like ትንሽ ቦላ. I'm gonna talk to you sandwich like on ደቂቃ and then I'll play game like later.
እሺ አይደላችኋለሁ። እሺ
No, game but it's like ትንሽ ቦላ. Game ትንሽ ቦላ. Yeah, እንዴት ነሽ?
Where's Ayajibu? What is this?
I think like he's watching አሁን as you like I'm
Ayajibu any live is on አንተ live አይደለክም። ምንድነው ይሄ? ለምን? Why?
Season Bell Kingo. Water. Okay, yeah. Ayajibu comments. Salam Be. You know, በፊት እሱ like ፍቅር ይዞኛል አንቺ
ከኔ
Yeah. Finish ibd. Oh.
አማርኛ ከተታለበስ ማሻአላ ኮሚኒኬሽን ጀምራለች። የኔ ቆንጆ ወይዬ የኔ ቆንጆዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ምስኪን ሲያሳዝን ሰዎች ያው እኛ አብረን ላይ ይፈልገ ነበረ ላይ በመጣ ነው ያው አብረን አሁን ላይ እየሄድን ነው። ስለዚህ ምንም ያሳዝን ነገር የለም። እሱም ተረድቶ ነው የሄደው። ስለዚህ ዶንት እንትን አትበሉ። God bless you girl. ለዘላለም አንኖርም ጥሩ ያማን
Oh my gosh, Zina, you missed out like Bezu drama, the Ethiopian TikTok.
I missed, and even when you told me what happened, I ran to find it, right? But I found nothing. There was nothing. Like the talk was already done with, and I was like, shit, I missed it again. What is this?
What about the situation, like any text on she?
I didn't see that. Oh
no, the call, sorry. That was about any other thing.
The call, I meant about the call. They were gone already. Like, not gone already, but they were talking about some completely different.
Okay. Let's, oh my gosh, you want to ask if you like...
ይቅርታ እንደዚህ አይነት ስድብ ግን አይሳደብም እንጂ ሴት ነሽ ሚጡ ምን አይነት ነው ሚጡ እንትን ተባሉ ትብትሽ አይባልም
They say Zima, how tall are you? Since me and you.
አንድ ከ65
Silsa Malad 60s?
I'm 5'4".
Oh yeah. I'm 4'10".
I know, bro. Daisy Lenny Zigana Medel, so guys, Zigana Lenny.
No, I don't. It's like Tinish. What the heck?
Sure.
Wait, is it Alec? I don't know.
No, you're here for me.
Oh, yeah. Maybe.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay, you wanna prank Sowich? Habesha Sowich? Like, oh, I need an Anchi, like, Fred Orange. Have it? Yeah. Wait, Leela, but...
Oh my god, I love this game!
Okay, shh. Wait, like,
No, we have to talk first. Listen.
Bing Lazinga?
Do we just talk in English? Or do I talk in German? Do I talk in German and you talk in English and let's act like we understand each other?
Oh, yeah.
And they're gonna be confused.
Like, in Habesha Sowich yelling, bro. Alish?
But I don't think Habesha Sowich is just...
Please take a seat properly. What are you to tell her to sit? Guys, tell out her, like, if she doesn't have to sit down. Jesus.
I've been sitting the whole day.
Guys, it's not that serious. How many, since Kwankwa and she...
Any, 4 almost.
Add Kwankwa. Any just... Oh, any mamar, like, add these Kwankwa. By the way.
What are you learning?
I'll tell you, Bolly.
Wait, but what do we, Minden? I know what you're learning. I'm just going to let you know because it's not good for you. He doesn't even have to tell me. I get it.
Why do y'all want her to sit? That's what I'm seeing. Like, people, they're so worried about her. Like, just stop, guys. Stop. She doesn't have to sit.
መቀመጥ አልፈልግም እኔ በቆምኩት የኔ በቆም አንቺ ምን አገባሽ ትቆምልኛለሽ አማትጋሽና አገርልኝ በጣም አለበሽ ምን ልትሆኝ ነው እንዴ ልቁምበት ሶስዬ ፕሊዝ እዚህ ላይ ተቀመጪ አንተ እዚህ ላይ ተቀመጥ ሲያምርክ እንዴ ምን ይላል ይሄ አታሳድቡኝ ፕሊዝ እስካሁን ድረስ እውነት እኔ ስድብ ሰው ሲሰድበኝ እኔ መሳደብ እችላለሁ እኔ ድሬዳዋ ልጅ ነኝ ፕሊዝ ዶንት ፕሌይ ዊዝ ሚ እግዚአብሔርን አረ
she was very
እኔ እወዳችኋለሁ ምን ወደድኩ ነው እወዳችኋለሁ ግን ካልተዋደድን እኔ ማልወዳችሁ ምራፉ እንደነጣላ ፕሊዝ Anyways,
You're so funny.
You see, this is why I stopped live, Daisy. I just had a lens.
It's okay.
No, I'm not anonymous. I'm not.
Oh my gosh. I'm Solalink. Wait, Salambi.
ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ ቤተሰብ 6000 ያስገቡኝ እስቲ ሰብስክራይብ
ሽሮ ዶሮ ወጥ
6000 ያስገቡኝ
ሽሮ ዶሮ ወጥ
ምን ነው ደስ ያላችሁ